Mozart Symphony No. 40 in G minor. This is a classical piece written in 1788. Classical music has clear melody and homophonic textures. The instruments, it's written for a chamber orchestra, mainly made up of strings, lots of cellos, basses, violas and violins. There is a wind section with flutes, a few clarinets were added later, some horns, no trumpet and no timpani in this, which is a bit weird for classical symphonies of this kind. The melody is mostly done by the strings, with the second subject taking a little bit in the wind as well. It has balanced question and answer phrases like da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da as a question and da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da as your answer. That's defined by perfect and imperfect cadences. There are two subjects in the melody, and that brings us to the structure. It's sonata form piece. Sonata form starts with the exposition. That's when you hear subject 1 to start off the piece, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da, bridged into subject 2, which is in B flat major. The subject 1's in G minor. B flat major, which goes da 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 dum dum da 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 dum. Little codetta to finish the section. Then we have the development. This is where number 1 here, subject 1, goes on an adventure. He goes in lots of different key signatures, thrown around all over the place, imitation, it all goes crazy. Comes back to finish the story for the recapitulation, which is when we get subject 1 back again. He's actually still in G minor in the original key, bridged into subject 2, which is now, rather than in B flat major, it's now been put into G minor to match his mate there, so they come together for the end. Finally, a coda. It is in texture, it is homophonic texture, which means it's got one clear tune with then chords and stuff underneath. It's a little bit of octave doubling at times, and in the development section, there's some polyphonic exploring of the first subject. Now, the harmony is really simple, with simple diatonic use of major and minor chords. He has some cadences, perfect and imperfect, as it goes along. At one point there's a pedal note just before the second subject comes in of a repeated low note, and there is some circle of fifths progressions in there too. The dynamics, it starts really quiet, which is quite weird for a classical symphony. There are some sudden crescendos called sforzando, which is when it suddenly gets really loud. There are some gradual crescendos and diminuendos as well. The rhythm's really simple. It's got some repeated patterns in the subjects, like for example the da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da. That dotted rhythm is repeated at various points. There's some syncopation, and it starts with an anacrusis or an upbeat. That's when the first part of the song starts before the first bar. Da-da, dum da da dum, and that's when it comes in. So an anacrusis to start. It's molto allegro, very fast, and it's in 4/4, the end.